Every burp you release isn't just hot air, it's a biochemical message. Inside your gut, specialized cells detect this gas, setting off a chain reaction. These gut microbes thrive on the changes caused by each burp, communicating actively. Burping modulates the delicate balance of your gut microbiota, promoting health. With every pop, your body enhances nutrient absorption from your last meal. The sound of a burp may be gross, but it's vital for digestion. It helps regulate gut pH and prevents harmful bacteria from taking over. So the next time you burp, remember, it's not just rude, it's your gut's symphony. This often overlooked act is key to unlocking optimal nutrition and well-being.
Stick around because the next one is even better.